Welcome. Today we'll guide you through the process of recovering your TurboTax account. To begin, visit turbotax.com and navigate to the home page. Provide your email address and click on Sign In. If you're unable to sign in with your password, choose the option to sign in a different way. You'll have several options to recover your account: entering your password, receiving a text code on your mobile number, receiving a call, or receiving a code via email. Choose the option that works best for you. In this example, we'll select Email a code. Check your email for the code. Once received, copy the code and paste it into the provided field on the TurboTax website. Click on Continue to proceed. You'll then have the option to update your password immediately or skip this step if you remember your password. If you choose to update your password, enter your new password and confirm it. Once you've completed the recovery process, you'll regain access to your TurboTax account. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered your TurboTax account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.